The USTM Robotics team has achieved a remarkable victory at the Technoxian World Cup 2024, securing the top position in the fiercely contested Bot Combat Challenge event. This prestigious event, being the world's biggest robotics championship, was organized by the International Federation for Esports and supported by the Ministry of Electronics and IT and Ministry of Tourism, Government of India and All India Council for Robotics AMP Automation. It took place at Noida Indoor Stadium and showcased cutting-edge robotics talents from around the globe.